This is the last pattern, the part one. Now we're going to do part 2. We're going to do the around it some more, make it bigger. Now we're going to do 3 chain there, and 4 double crochet on there. So it will be altogether 5. Then 1 chain, 5 double crochet there too. Come to this corner already. Here also will be 5 double crochet. Then put 3, 4, 5, and then 5 double crochet. This round gonna finish. Will be 5 there. Now, 2 chain and double crochet, and that's done for this round. Next is 3 chain, 3 should be 3 double crochet there, so it's 3. Now 3 ready. So every double crochet, every chain. Now this corner, 3 double crochet, then 3 chain and 3 double crochet on the same loop. And continue double crochet on. Coming to the end, okay, the end, 3 double crochet, next round, 1 2 3 4 5, and we're going to do treble crochet, this is the next round, we're starting the next round. I'm putting the thumb, that's the corner. Now all treble crochet, 1 chain and nickel 1 and do them. Coming to the corner, one chain, treble crochet, 5 chains, then treble crochet, then 1 chain, on the next, 1 chain again and treble crochet, leave that and go for the next one, next chain. So this is how it looks like. Coming to end to this round, do 2 chain and a treble crochet, not treble, double crochet. That's 1 round finish. Now we're going to do the next round. Two, 3 double crochet, three there, consider 3 already. Now we go for the next one, it's the next chain, double crochet and the double crochet there too. In there, so all around like that, so it covers up. Now look at it. That's 1 line at the top there. So we're going to go, not finished yet, we're going around there. See, there's already 2 already. 3 double crochet, chain, 3 chain, 4, 5, and double crochet, 3, and go. That's the corner. So every corner you reach, you do 5 there. Then you should doing the part of it. Now this is the next line. Single crochet there and count 7 chain. 7 chain, and you count the chain and the down chain. Now we're counting the down chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and poke on the 6. Seven chain again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we go next round up. Double crochets, 5, and that loop will be 5. You count and see, it will be 5, and then single crochet 5. You see the pattern, and the next one is single crochets. Not single crochet, double crochet. I will show you later. It will be the same as the last one I did for you, and I'll point you. You see that? This is treble crochet. Now see that treble crochet, same down there. Look, that's double crochet, it's down there. So you look, same. Now look at it. The square rules, the first one there square, it will follow the rules at the square, the second one. Yeah. And the circle also is the same thing. You see, look at it, it's the same. And the yellow circle one is the same rule. And the mark right is the same rule. So do as big as you like and find out how big you want. And then you can finish it up.